Daddy,
and
Kittens! Today we will learn about the head parts. Let's start!
repeat after me. Hair, mouth, nose, eye, ear, well done. Mouth, ear, eye, hair, nose, ear, eye. We know all names, so let's play. First we have ear.
Ear,
Another ear.
ear. There are my ears.
Now we have to put hair.
Hair. This is my hair.
Now we have to put eye.
Eye,
Now it's time for another eye.
eye. There are my eyes.
Now we have to put nose.
Nose. This is my nose.
Now we have to put mouth.
Mouth. This is my mouth. This is my head.
Yes, very good. Game. Here we have two ears. Very good. Ears. So we need here
Mouth.
mouth. Very good.
Here.
Very good. Put the mouth. Next is
Nose.
nose. Take the nose. Next we have
Head.
hair. Where's the hair?
Here.
Okay, take it. Lower a little bit. Alright, and we have, what do we have here?
Eyes.
Okay, two eyes. Okay, well done. Very good. We have here, what do we have here?
Ear.
Ears. Very good. Two ears. So we need two.
Eye.
Very good. Two eyes. Take the eyes. Very good. Okay. What do we need here?
Nose.
Nose. Take the nose. And here, what do we need?
Mouth.
Mouth. Very good. And last, we need
Head.
hair. Where's the hair?
Here.
Okay, lower. Oh, okay, very good. Same one?
Here.
Alright. What do we need here?
Head.
Okay, very good. Take the hair. Very good. Next, we need. What do we need here?
Nose.
Nose. Very good. Take the nose.
Here.
Okay, very good. This is the nose. We need some things here. What do we need?
Mouth.
Mouth. Where's this mouth?
Here.
Okay. And we need two
Eye.
eyes.
Excellent. Well done.
So we don't have more pictures and we want to make a boy picture. So first, boy needs
Head.
hair. Very good, hair. Where's the boy's hair? Okay, take. Okay, there, up. Okay, we have two ears, so we don't need ears, yes?
Here.
Okay, we need, what do we need here?
Eyes.
Eyes, take the eyes. Very good. Here we need nose. Very good. Very good. And we need big mouth. Big mouth. Okay, big mouth. Okay. Let's shake the hair. Okay? And he has no hair. No hair at all.
Sponsored by IQ English.
And here we have a monster.